itchy. Look at those palm trees, guys. Good ear. Ear. Okay. Okay, you're gonna have to speak up.
I set my alarm for 5:30, but then just kind of chilled. And it's all about to speak.
You've got somewhere to be, Jim.
What?
So you've got somewhere to be. That is the stream time.
Well, you know.
In a second.
No, it's your stream. You've got all responsibility.
Yeah.
God damn it.
There's not a lot today.
Yeah, no, that was another reason to be fair as well. Because I looked at my phone.
Yeah. They're all like opposite each other. Yeah, there's not a great deal.
Maybe,
Kind of awesome.
maybe a look out.
Yeah.
Is that bullish again now, do you reckon? On the 4 hour?
Yeah. Yeah, I'd bullish on the 4 hour now.
It broke like that second high up, didn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So if this is bullish, we're around that low. We've got like a little candle, like if this candle breaks the previous 4 hour candle's high, then she go on 15 minute. We're also breaking our significant, well, we've also just broke our significant high, so the 15 minute is just flip bullish. And then if we get that push, maybe there might be some longs.
Yeah, it's quite a clean area to be fair, or a cleanish area. Once you get out of this. But yeah. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying there, Jimmy. Yeah, because like you say, you're bullish now, aren't you, on the 15?
Yeah.
That's the file high, and that gets the momentum. At least the momentum push up to 44.
Yeah, because as well, right? When it breaks the 4-hour high, it's also breaking out of all that structure on the left.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Yeah, no, that would work. I hadn't really looked on the 15 minutes, to be fair. Yes, it's just like a big correction in the main bullish leg, if you like. Main leg correction.
Exactly. It's a bullish move. Nice breakout. Very good.
Bullish, bearish, bearish, bullish, bearish. And the 30 minutes still bearish. At least the 15 minutes bullish.
Yeah, it's got to break. It's probably got to break that 4-hour high before I'll take it anyway.
Yeah.
Might not do it. Like if the 30-minute is bearish, it might keep going down.
Yeah, because it's got quite. This next area is quite clean. This next area from where it's at now down to. You could probably take it down to here, 27. Probably go to there. Yeah, probably there.
Hell yeah.
But yeah, I'll have to play it with your ears. I think I've only got one. I've only got one pair that's full. If the only pair that's full bullish is pound dollar for me.
What is it?
It's bullish on every time frame, yeah. But I don't really like any of the areas it's trading in. Yeah, 4 hours bullish because of the main leg. It's sitting above there, found support, moved away.
So nice when they're all one way.
Yeah. There's only one way to look, isn't there? Do.
Yeah, just have to wait and see with Darkers.
Yeah.
See what happens.
Yeah. That's the only thing that really is alright for me is pound dollar. It's the only thing that I really like.
So look.
Pound yen's a bit too much of a leg.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. Yeah, it's still bullish as well, isn't it?
What's that? What's that on?
Pound dollar.
Yeah.
Nice actually good shot there. It's just in a range, isn't it?
I know. It's squished between two prices. The thing is where you buy into as well is quite a strong resistance area on the left. There's a gap, there is a bit of a gap to be fair. There is a bit of a gap up to like 22-ish before you start hitting anything. Everything else like a mixed bag. Everything else like the dailies are bullish, but 30 minutes are bullish, but the 4 hours are bearish. Sometimes everything else is like that. It looks that way.
It's alright moves overnight, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, that's why. That's kind of why we're consolidating now. I like what I drawn out on. I like what I drawn out on New US dollar. Start off, like, I think if it goes higher, it pulls into the blue box I had drawn, and then comes short from there. That makes sense. Yeah, I don't really know what to. Nothing's really sticking out today at the moment yet.
Yeah, the main one for me is dollar card.
Yeah, there's dollar card and pound dollar, but I still don't think they're that nice. Like, they're alright.
Like right now.
They're what?
There's nothing right now.
No. No.
This is where, like, if people watched, you could be chatting with them chat now.
Yeah, exactly. Need to get some troops.
Get some new troops in.
Get some troops. I'll share it.
Look at the dollar card on the 5 minute. Looks pretty nice. Like when this little like micro trend breaks to the upside.
Oh yeah, I get you. Yeah.
It broke the last significant high, went up, made a pullback, and it's proper like high lows and low highs. So low lows and low highs. You know what I'm saying?
I know what is it.
To be honest, I feel like a candle like if this candle on the 15 minutes, this candle pushed and broke the high of the previous candle, it would probably go because like you see how it's like dipped below it and then it's not, and then if it pushed
$1 card.
but then you run it straight back.
$1 card.
Yeah. It's quite an aggressive entry line, but
Yeah.
you know, because everything's looking bullish, and then this candle like dipped down, it pushed up and then broke the high of the last previous red. It's I don't know. I feel like it would work. And it's a bit aggression.
Yeah, that's the thing. I don't really want to be doing aggressive things.
You don't want to be angry, do you?
No, I don't.
It's condition. Weather's been in it.
Yeah, I don't think it's probably started raining yet, though, has it? I don't think.
The weather is bloody beautiful.
The music has stopped. Okay.
Just as day is dawning. Oops, 3 people are watching.
No, it's not. It was me.
Oh my god.
It was me. Because our internet connection is unstable.
Yeah, I just got that notification. You're unstable? Just email them back. You're unstable?
No, YouTube, no.
Morning, third person.
It's me.
How y'all doing today?
It's me.
Okay.
I think it's me.
How could you be the third person?
I was on the phone. I don't know. It's like I've come off it now and still.
Well, answer my question then. How are you doing this morning, Adam?
I'm brilliant.
You know what?
I'm brilliant.
I'm great.
I'm fantastic. Yeah, like you say, dollar CAD is now. It's still bearish in the 30-minute though. That's the only thing. So. But like you say, it wants to be above that 4 hour high, doesn't it? The small red candle. The small bearish candle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it was me. It's come off now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You scammed us. It's a bit weird then if 4 hours bullish, 30 minutes bearish.
The daily candle's bearish. The daily's bearish, and the weekly is the week bullish.
The daily's just broke the yesterday's low.
No, you don't want. Yeah. Oh, you don't want to be long in it then. I don't want to long that now. It might work, but you'd be better off shorting that now.
No, yeah, I'm leaving it.
You are.
I won't take anything on
No, that's not worth it now. I wouldn't say. It's not worth it, unless it pulls. It would look weird, wouldn't it, if it pulled back and then traded like, I don't know.
Yeah, no, it's too much against it.
Yeah. For me, it's pound dollar. But then if it breaks short, I wouldn't want to break short either. So I was trying to think of ways that we could get people on the stream just to like come on and like chat and just do whatever. And I wonder if it's like Forex posts on Instagram. I wonder if you could send the link to the stream just to run, just put it on Forex posts and like send it to people who like maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Bible. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
I just don't want to be like, I hate spamming people.
You are?
I hate spamming people.
Yeah, nah, yeah, I don't really want to do that.
Nothing worse.
You just know what I do.
Especially from a personal account as well.
Yeah. 100%, mate. 100%.
Like you see now, if pound dollar like goes down to, if it goes down to the bottom and then there's like a big bullish engulfing candle back up to the top of that 4-hour high, then it might be good out the top, to be fair. That's what I'm going to watch. I'm just going to watch pound dollar. I don't like anything else.
Hey, mate.
So, what did you have for Christmas this year? It's a steady one, steady. Yeah.
What? I am bloody as me. I am bloody. What do you think to shorts on EU?
EU.
Look at my hourly. Bit of an inside leg. So
the daily candle's broken the previous daily candle.
what do you mean? Above the low? Oh, yeah.
That's, for me on this one, I want it to come up to that blue box that I've got drawn on. You'll be able to see, but yeah. See what I mean? up to like 20, 21, 20.
Yeah.
I want it to come to there and then find resistance. Because at the moment it's finding resistance in no man's land really.
You're in no man's land?
I'm not. I'm in the bloody kebabs under the stairs. I've done this. But I get why it would come short from there if it did. Because of the structure. I would just rather it come a bit higher, I think. It might come short to be fair, but I don't know. Where to down to like down to 2080-ish.
Yeah, like down into the lows. Down into that like area.
What's the 30-minute like? It's quite a clean area.
Yeah, isn't it?
You'd expect it to maybe mirror the move, because every move through that area has been a full candle, hasn't it, really?
Yeah, that's actually. Yeah. Yeah, but your target would probably be like like 80, like 808. 808.
Yeah.
Chance of the cookie jar.
Yeah, I don't know about it, Jim. Not sure. Not sure. I can see where it would work.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure. I'm not sure about it.
You wouldn't be comfortable in the position.
No, probably not. Not with wanting to long pound dollar as well.
No.
But that's not to say the
worst thing about it is the daily on this trade.
I think the dailies have messed up on all the pairs, to be honest.
Yeah.
The structure is still in the like the way that you don't want it to be for the way the daily candles are.
Yeah.
Just in an awkward position at the moment.
There's a sea open window, riding on your pillow.
Rinky tin, rinky tin, rinky tin, rinky tin. This is almost like a no trade day, you know, to all the dailies close.
I know, yeah.
That's how it feels.
The main thing that's putting me off euro dollars the daily candles.
Yeah, how it's closed, how it's not broken the previous one's low, but it's created a higher high.
Yeah.
It's found some.
Why would you do that?
That's why I wanted it to come a little higher, like up into the support around like between 120 and 150, and find resistance there, and then fall short.
Yeah.
I think the key thing is you don't have to like catch the top of the move, right?
think the only good thing about, well, like another confluence for it is on the 4 hour, if this hourly candle breaks the low, that, you know, the inside legs low, you would also be breaking the previous 4 hour candle's low, and this 4 hour candle would have made like a lower high, and it would be making a lower low.
Oh,
so you might get that little move.
Yeah, and then like so the daily pulls back inside itself, and then maybe pushes back along again.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
There's definitely potential it could work.
Yeah, take him on the hourly.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Economic calendar. Economic calendar.
That's not available, yeah. I don't know, it's not loaded for some reason.
Why don't you go on investing.com?
I will do it, I will. I think my computer on a bit of a go slow, I think. The stream looks pretty jumpy.
What the hell it does, isn't it?
Is it jumping on you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's leave it. Need more powerful computer.
Pound using.
Yeah.
Well, no, it's not. It's only 1 star. It says pound news in 16 minutes, but it's only hour one.
Sorry, lad, that's fine.
Really just high impact. There's just Euro at 10. German ZEW economic statement. January.
That's just nothing important, really. Hey, we've got a third viewer.
Sure.
We've got a third viewer.
Oh my god. Well, there's not much happening today, I'm afraid.
Nope, that's pretty steady. They've gone now.
Go on.
Building. Oh, it's a steady one, it's a steady one.
Right, if top hand 30-minute closes green like this, then I'll go short. Probably. Oh, no, I bought the freaking 4 hours delicious.
4 hours bullish. The daily candle's bearish though. The 4 hours bullish instruction is kind of a... No. Yeah, no. I don't know if to do. I'm not taking that.
No, I'm not.
I'm not taking that. What are we looking?
Taking anything. The cryptocurrency Ethereum jumps at 8.3%. Go on then. I own that.
Oh yeah, it has. I'm up again. Well, I'm up quite a bit. On the overall count, I'm up again. 17%.
Yeah, I'm 13.53% on Ethereum. Holy shit, mate.
My XRP's up now as well.
I made 3% yesterday.
In the second position.
What are you up? I'm up 23 now.
23 what?
Quid.
What, on an XRP?
On all of them.
Oh no, I closed the load up.
My XRP's up $34 and $5.
Alright, no, I've only got one XRP position open. At $2 up.
How much? My XRP's up $37.
No, the account's up like $6, or $4. $4.50. But I've closed a load of profitable ones out.
Alright.
So, yeah, that's all good.
Waiting for you. I go out walking after midnight, out in the moonlight, search for me. You can see me weeping alone, riding on your pillow. Okay. Yeah, as if my account's way in profit now. To see I've closed out some profits as well.
Yeah, I know mine is as well.
Bloody beautiful, mate. Bloody nice. Bloody great stuff. Bloody beautiful.
Ether.
If everything was bearish on dollar CAD right now, I would be in the short in 15 minutes.
Yeah, it looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, but everything else is bullish. Like, well, to be fair, it's weird because like it's only the 4 hour, but the 4 hour is such a key one for me.
Yeah, it's only 4 hour. The daily's bearish. The previous weekly was a weak bullish candle as well. Daily, so, like I said, the weekly's very far out in it. Yeah, the 4 hours bullish in structure, but I guess it's quite high up in it.
Yeah.
I don't know, like I'm not bothered.
No.
It can do what it does.
It's kind of a weird one because the 15 minute like flipped and then it gave the confirmation on the 15 minute.
Yeah.
But the 30 minutes bearish. But then the hourly closes a bullish engulfing candle on the previous one. It was too many it was too many like some were saying up, some were saying down, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
There were too many confluences. Too many like
three either way.
Yeah.
Yeah. You had a very even amount for both. You were almost hedging your bets against one.
Yeah.
Instead of having, yeah, exactly.
I honestly think it's going to just explode.
Long.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is good because that's what I wanted to do.
What, on dark idea?
Oh no, I don't actually want it to go straight up.
I won't be surprised if this flips. Because that was such a nice shot, but then everything's bullish. I don't know, we'll see. I'll take it.
Jimmy, no problem, man.
I'll take it, anything, me.
Yeah, pound dollar. I think pound dollar is the only thing for me. It's the only thing with enough time frames on its side.
Yeah.
Everything else is like literally everything's bullish on pound dollar. The 30 minutes bullish because it's closed above this price over here. Closed above the like the 36 whole number area, which is the last significant lower high. The 4 hour is bullish anyway. The daily candle's now bullish and it's broken the previous one, I believe. Yeah, it's broken the previous days. Yeah, look at it on the daily. Look at pound dollar on the daily, Jim.
And dollar candle's melting. Pound dollar. Oh yeah. Why? Oh Jesus. Oh bloody hell. Oh, I've gone weak at my knees. Yeah, nice. It's nice, but the small time frames look a bit rapid, aren't they?
Yeah. A bit ropey, lad.
A bit ropey sausage. And there's no entries really.
Great deal. Single man reveal ya.
Yeah, for me, like that 15-minute on dollar card. If everything was bearish, that would be like perfect.
Yeah.
I mean, it's still working, but no, I couldn't take it. But to be fair, even it did actually look nice, like in terms of on the 15-minute, it made a higher high, and then like made that support at the previous resistance and then broke it. It did look right, but you got to be able to follow your rules. I think that's more important than taking that trade.
Yeah, definitely. There's no point just. I don't know. I think you can get caught out easy.
Yeah. I mean, I need to target it. I can still go on. Wow! Thank you for all that. Yeah, still didn't know not a lot going on today. I did it.
Thank you very much. See you later. There's a sick tune on this playlist, Jim.
We'll play now.
Yeah. Rewinding that. I'll play it again. This one. Can you hear it? Start again. There's a sick tune on this playlist, Jim.
We'll play now.
I've restarted it. I'll play it again. This one. Can you hear it? There's a sick tune on this playlist, Jim. I've restarted it.
I'm kind of it.
I'll just show you after.
Yeah. I mean, I do.
It's got a lovely sound that.
It's not the best for entry though, is it, $1?
No.
Like, you could probably take it now, but I don't want to. You're not on a 15-minute, I was breaking that previous high. It's from the bottom of consolidation.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, no, I'm not going to take it, but I mean, like, it might push up from him.
Alright, yeah. I kind of wanted this hour to close really bearish, like at the bottom, and then the next one to engulf. That would have been better.
Yeah.
To be fair, it looks good on the 30 minute. It looks better on the 30 minute. It basically wants to reject the support and then move away from the support.
Yeah.
And then close away from it, do you know what I mean?
I know what you're saying.
I wonder if Bitcoin's going to bomb. I wonder if it's going to drop and then go again.
I don't know. Where is it?
It's at 36.
It's been dropping, has it? I don't know.
Kinda.
Oh, that's in such a weird position.
The price is just getting compressed. I think the people who are in it long don't want to sell the position because they've lost a little bit of profit on it, and the people don't want to short it because it's not at the high. So it's like in between the two.
Yeah. Tell you what, dollar card. If dollar card gets above that green candle of the inside leg, it's gonna be that's a good confirmation that it's gonna be bullish. 15-minute.
Yeah, like above the 30. Oh right, yeah.
What that is,
So it's 29. The top's 29, but the high's 30. The high is 30.
Just push straight back down again. It just pushed up with some momentum, then I was like, if this breaks that high, like that's gonna. To be fair, if it breaks above,
It's
and then
pushing that square long now.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, $1 going down.
Yeah. It's kind of good. It would be nice for it to close like down here somewhere, and then I want it to close down here, then find support, and then push up back up long.
To be honest, if you look at the 4 hour on $1, if the previous low breaks, it could probably push down a bit on the 4 hour. Maybe down to like 35.80. You know, down into that wick.
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
Which on the hourly is actually, on the hourly that's the last significant low. I didn't actually realise that. Yeah, that's perfect. So if this moves down now, moves it into like a higher low point, and then get some sort of inside leg and continue.
Yeah.
I feel like there's going to be some good setups, just not right now. Like we need to wait. Since I'll have a 15-minute.
Couple of hours.
It's just pushed. Yeah, the highest candles above that green one. This is going to be bullish. 4 hours bullish. Look at dollar card on the 5 minute.
On what? Right. On dollar card.
Dollar card. So the 5 minute flip bullish like a while ago, you know, on the high. Right, and then it started this micro downtrend, and then now it's just about to break the last significant high of the micro downtrend. So we're bullish, and then we're almost like bullish again, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
That's nice. This is going to be if this breaks, it'll be long. I'm just going with direction, but I'm not going to enter yet. I'm going to wait for like a bit more of a move up, and then pull back, and then bademski bomski. Yeah. See what I mean? It's like it's flipping bullish twice, isn't it? Almost.
Yeah. You've got the 15
like the structure flip, and then it made a micro downtrend, and then that's flipping. So it's like everything's saying bullish, and the 4 hours bullish, and the 15 minutes bullish.
Go on, go.
Yeah, this looks nicer as well now because it's made like a pullback and then a move up. It's like you don't feel like you're messing around with candles. Like it feels like a real move.
What looks nice? Pound dollar. Are you talking about dollar card? Dollar card. Yeah.
Pound dollar is the same thing. Like if pound dollar goes down, then that's good. It's better to be buying lower.
I agree, Jamila. I agree.
Yeah, dollar card is bullish. Especially if this candle closes strong on 15 minute. Well, and on the 30 minute. Like, look at the 30 minute, see how it's broke the previous high of the candle in the last 30 minutes.
Yeah.
What the hell, Adam?
It also broke the low there as well.
Yeah, no, but that kind of seems to work. That it like dips lower and then pushes up with strength. Like a lot of the ones that I've seen that it's worked, that it's always broke the low. It's almost like it just dips just that little bit lower just after that last time and then it explodes.
Well, look at it this way, you'd be stopped out on there. You'd be stopped out on it now. On dollar card.
What's that? What do you say?
You'd be stopped out on dollar card now.
What are you?
If you were short on it, you'd have been stopped out, wouldn't you?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. That's why I hate buying or selling when you don't have time frames in your direction. I actually don't like doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, honestly, pound dollar. Depending what it does. Yeah, we'll just have to play it by ear.
Yeah, what did I say?
Because I don't think it gave like very good bearish momentum entering that, going into that price either. It was very indecisive what it did. Like it created the red pin bar, and then it created a small red candle. Then it created, that's really a bullish candle, the green candle in the 30 minute. It's like it's a bullish pin bar, and then it's created like a bearish engulfing that's closing. Well, it's back above half of the like your 50% line on the candle now. So I don't know.
It's just choppy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's choppy because I think everything else is bullish on it. Like based on structure, like if you forget where it is, like position-wise on the chart, everything's bullish, isn't it?
Yeah.
So
definitely where it belongs.
Yeah, it's just messy.
So messy.
Messy like your time. Messy like pot in the ground.
Yeah, come on now, move your body. Come on,
Diddly-doo. Oh, do you like that video uploaded last night, you know, onto the YouTube channel?
It did?
It looks like it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah.
The weather outside is frightful, and honest things want to. A euro dollar never actually broke that low.
No.
So it just kept going up by the metal.
You tell us.
Lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, little twat on your head. We find like if it's going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tonight, all over him I'll be all.
Oh, God, you sound horrendous. You sound like a piece of dirt.
You sound like a drunk man.
No, I don't.
No.
I just think your US dollar looks pretty good for longs.
Well, I do. Well, do you buy it then?
That's rude. That's rude. Don't tell me what to do. Naughty man. I kind of want it above those. I want it above that area on the left. You know, on the previous leg, the one that came down.
Your leg or my leg?
My leg.
Your legs.
Like when you're in your stop, you see when it came down. The leg came. You've got the leg that comes down, and there's like this kind of formed support within the minor retrace that it did.
Mm.
I wanted to get above the 21 hole number, really.
Yeah, into that area.
Yeah.
Abu Dhabi just tried ringing me, but I said, give you every later on. Just trading right now, man. God damn.
Go away.
But the lights are turned way down there. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Translation available? Translation available. Your internet connection is unstable. I know it's just frigging going on me.
Mine is that.
Well, boy. Don't you worry about that. What's wrong with it? Go away. Yeah, it's either the stream froze. But it's straight, it froze on me anyway. On my face, look how it's froze.
Is it frozen?
No, look how the stream's frozen on me. Look how it's frozen. Yeah, hang on. Am I looking up? Look up, look up.
It hasn't frozen.
Is it not?
No.
Well, things aren't always how they seem.
Clearly.
Where the frick is it? Oh, it's there. This goes down here. This goes up here. And this goes on here. But the lights are turned way down.
Dollar CAD's starting to push to the highs.
Hi mate, okay.
That's a nice strong 15-minute close. Well, in a minute, if it closes like that.
Huh. That's why. Oh, that's why. I see that. See? Bloody hell. Literally, rain.
A little bit more rain. Oh, a little bit of rain. Huh? Go on, have some rain with that shovel.
Rain. Bah!
Nice.
You hear that? You are so weird. No, I'm not.
There's some gas being expelled.
The border between England and Ireland. Lights are turned way down a little bit. Alright. Because the lights are turned way down. Let us know me.
Do do do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Hi Adam.
What?
You know dollar card?
Hmm.
On the 15-minute.
Hmm.
You know, like the lowest low it made?
Yeah.
Is the last second, if you go back from there, there was them 2 green candles which made that high.
Yes.
Is that the last significant high, or is it the one before that?
No, it's that one. Oh well,
Is it
yeah.
that one?
Yeah, no, it's not. Yeah, that's the one. The one before it is the correct one. So it's not actually bullish yet on the 15-minute.
No, it's just pushing into it now, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, they're equal lows.
Yeah.
Purely from where it closed.
Because I was thinking about like just going. Well, I'm thinking about going long at some point, but I'm like, actually, no. Just wait a minute. Jimmy, just hold your horses, man.
Really?
Right now. Although then again, it pushed up last time, so it's pushed up and hit the last significant high, and then made all that rejection, and now it's finished like massively bullish. Up to this time is probably going to break in it if it's going to do it.
Yeah, I guess so. What, so? Yeah, I see what you mean. I would still rather be above the 33 level.
Yeah, because that's the 4-hour candle.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's the only, if that wasn't there now, I'd probably go long, but then again, the stop loss is massive, so I think I might wait, because we might
You sound like you want to get in a trade, Jim.
You are?
You sound like you want to get in a trade.
What?
Said you sound like you want to get in a trade.
I'm just talking about what I wanted to happen.
No.
No.
Naughty. Go back to bed.
Yeah. Nice. I kind of know what I'm waiting for it. I just need to have something above that 4. To be honest, it needs to kind of test that 4-hour high.
Yeah, it wants to go away, pull away from it, and then push back up towards it, I think.
Yeah.
Which you probably get that, actually. You probably get maybe. Well, it doesn't matter if it doesn't. Even if it goes above it, closes above it, then retraces, finds support, and then you can go. I don't think you're going to get any crazy momentum from there. As in, it's not just going to. I don't think it'll just blast through it. It could do, but I don't know.
This candle's got quite a lot of momentum.
Yeah, I guess.
Definitely a lot of momentum in the market, but
yeah.
I don't know.
Have you seen the viewers, Jim? What?
Yeah.
You've got 11 apparently. It just went from like 2 to 11.
It says 2 on mine.
Concurrent viewers 11, it says on the stream.
Really?
Yeah, apparently. Like the stream, guys, like the stream, like. I'm only kidding.
Yeah, well, I mean, we've taken like 5 profitable trades, you missed all of it.
Concurrent viewers 6 now. Oh, it's gone down to 6. I'm only joking, you don't have to. Oh, it's back to 1 now. What? It boosted then, it went up and then came back down.
Yeah, mine's just said 2 the whole time.
Yeah, no, that proper, it went up to 11 then. I thought I got flooded. I thought we'd been like algoed in. That would have been sick though, to be fair. I'd have been pretty happy.
Yeah, that'd been it. Yeah, it's breaking out now.
Yeah, current viewers 10. Yeah, it went up to 10. There was 10 people on at one point.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. There was a spike and then it came back down. Probably because I was asking them to like it. Yeah, that would have been sick. Yeah, then it went from 10 to 5, then back to 1, then up to 2 again.
Mine just stayed at 2. Weird.
Yeah, I don't know.
Right, so calling card. 15 minute. This is an impulse move that broke the last significant high. So now we're at resistance of the 4-hour high, small pullback, hopefully, and then if it gets back, and then if it pushes back up, then I'm going on. That I believe you? Good.
If it does what?
So now on 15 minute, it's made an impulse move, broke the last significant high, and it's hit the 4-hour high, which is like the next high, which is resistance. And then we need a pullback from here, and then when it starts to push up again, take the break of that one.
Yeah, ideally I think it wants to... If this 15 minute pushed above it and closed like 73, 74, you know, like the wick to the left on the 15 minute, there's like 2 wicks, isn't there, which is like a minor area of resistance. Yeah. Which it's pushing towards now. So it hits there and then retraces back and then sits on like the 30 level. That would be like a perfect play, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, pound US dollar's coming short. See, that's mad though, is that you don't want to be in that because like literally every other time frame is bullish.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a 10 viewer spike then. I don't know where that came from.
Must have just like a bit of a glitch.
Yeah, it must have been a glitch. We didn't get 10 viewers. No. Don't be silly.
No. When we find why going out in school? If you Yeah, we don't like that. I kind of had quite a strong feeling that it was going to go. Like, you know what I mean? You know when you just kind of know something?
Yeah.
Like when that bearish pattern failed, it's like, I don't know, that was such a good confirmation. Like the 4 hours perfect as well. See how it broke the high of that previous one?
Yeah.
That's such a nice long for me, that. I like to turn way down low. Should have taken it. I even drew on the 4 hour. The previous candle before the red one that it's just broken. I even drew 2 things on like this will mirror that candle.
Oh yeah.
I should have taken it. Oh, we're too conservative then.
Maybe it's only like friggin' 3-4 pips up.
Yeah, I know, but it'll work. Right, so thinking about taking it on the 30 minute because I kind of knew what were happening. Because I knew all of that pattern was failing and all that sort of stuff. I was going to take it on the break of the previous red 30-minute candle. That would be like 1.6 up now. That was my original idea. And then, yeah, I don't know. I should have gone with it because I felt like it would work. Oh yeah.
This is where it wicks back inside now.
Yeah, hopefully.
That's what I mean, like, I don't know. I just think you're just better off letting it retrace. Now it's technically broken. Like, before it hadn't.
Yeah, but you could see what was happening.
Yeah, you could, but I don't know. I wouldn't have taken it. But...
That's good. I think when you see something like that and you feel like you know what's going on, it's quite important just to like go with what you're thinking, because like he's literally doing exactly what I thought he would do.
Yeah, should have done it.
Yeah, I placed the order on the high of that red candle, and then when we were talking about the last significant high, I was like, maybe I'll wait till it just breaks.
Yeah, you could have taken it as a break though.
Yeah.
You could have taken it as a break.
Yeah, I know, but I don't know. I think I looked too much into it. Should have just left literally my initial idea was put the order there. I should have just left it.
On the 30-minute.
Yeah. You know when I was saying how it normally pushes down a little bit lower and then pushes up.
Yeah.
Everything was happening, like the 5 minute was flipping, the micro trend was flipping. If it hit my entry point, that was like the pullback was flipping. 4 hours bullish, a bearish pattern failed. It was like everything was, you know what I mean? Everything was suggesting the break basically, but it didn't really matter because the 4 hours bullish. So I'll literally just wait for a pullback. And
yeah, exactly.
Just no, I didn't like that. Was like a proper good move, especially from my first pending order. It was like nearly 2%.
Yeah, I guess you'd have already been closed out.
Yeah.
Well, don't look as good now.
Today is just a day.
I actually think, if I've seen this happen before actually, the first 30-minute candle of the from 7 o'clock till 7:30, it doesn't always do it, but sometimes it actually flips the complete opposite way, so you'll get like a spike out in one way, and then it flips. Like if this came short now.
Yeah.
I've seen it do it before. It triggers people in, and then it just flips the other way.
Yeah. I know what you're saying.
Yeah, because if you'd taken that as a breakout, well, to be fair, you were going to be in from inside, weren't you? From inside the whole chop.
Yeah, purely like in that specific situation, because it just seemed so obvious what were happening. Like when you're on, obviously we saw that inside leg, and then so we saw the inside leg, which we didn't take because obviously the direction was wrong. But then when that started to work and then failed, it's like your bearish patterns are failing, the price is flipping, he's bullish on the 4 hours, like everything.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like you could see what was going on. Going out to a bloody storm. If you would hear the tide. Abu Dhabi. What do you want me? What do you want?
You could technically long it now then.
What's that?
You could technically long it now then when you stop beneath this 30-minute candle.
Yeah, no, I was thinking I bloody might do. It's kind of annoying because I feel I've missed the move I wanted, and now I'm just like chasing the move, even though it's still valid. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you don't take it, then, do you?
You don't tell me what to do, mate.
I'm taking it. I'm not bothered.
You still don't tell me what to do, mate.
No, for me, it's against for how I trade it. I can't. I don't think I'd have taken that anyway. It's not clean cut enough for me. I don't know. I don't like that kind of stuff. But if you do whatever you want, you know what I mean? It would have been a lot nicer if it hadn't closed with such a big wick. You know, over the top. On the 30-minute. If it had just closed outside and then pulled back in and then started pushing again, that would have been a nice trade.
Yeah.
But now you're just chasing that wick, but it's yeah. I don't know, I'm not sure about wick fills. I don't think I like them. They're alright in certain like occasions, but not
Wiki.
Weird wiki. No, I'm pretty happy like not taking it at the moment. I've just seen it before, like they might work. I've just seen like to be fair, the only reason why I know is because I've been caught out in 7:30 breakouts that haven't worked. Like they've broken out and then they just come back inside.
Yeah.
I've done it before. It might work, but yeah, I know I've been caught up before. So you just got to like go with what you think, haven't you? And then you've also got to kind of, I don't know, take into account the situation as well. Like say like you do. Like you say, it makes sense though. If you bearish like a bearish formation is failing, then it's probably going to go bullish, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like
especially
that makes sense.
Especially if you didn't take it. If you didn't take the bearish because the direction is bullish, and then the bearish failed, it's like, well, obviously it's bullish. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what it'll do, but I'm not fussed for doing anything with that, I don't think. Yeah, I think it would actually be nicer, to be fair, if it pulled all the way back in and to that supply-demand candle. You know, the one which started this bullish move.
So what is that?
Dollar card 15 minute.
15 minute.
If that now retraces back sits inside that first bullish candle and creates an inside leg, I would rather long that.
Yeah. I get you. Yeah.
Who the third viewer is?
That still says 2.
It's just 3 now in here. Unless mine's just got
3 likes though.
We've got what, 3 likes? Mine says 2 likes and 3 views.
God damn it.
What?
It's weird. That's super weird.
Might be Tajan actually.
Maybe.
Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah, it is. Morning. Morning.
Good morning, Tajan.
Not a massive deal of trades this morning, Tajan.
That been a steady one. There's been a couple of little moves you could have probably caught, but I don't know. Ha! Yes, I did. No, I just seen you'd read my Instagram message, so I cheated.
What's that?
I was speaking to Tasia. I'm intrigued. I want to know if that 10 viewer spike was actually real.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
We are world famous.
It didn't say it on mine.
Yeah, I've got it on the analytics here. It jumped up to 10. It went from 10 and then dropped to 5 and then went to 2. So I don't know. Yeah, Tasia, ask some friends if they want to join or come on the stream. It's just good when there's a lot of people. It's just there's more of a... The 2 hours didn't drag as long.
It's not bad if there's stuff happening.
Yeah, I guess, yeah, if you're waiting for stuff. It is, it's a day where you kind of like sit on your hands a bit, I think. Well, I do. I don't know, I think you could take some aggressive trades today.
Yeah, that order that I had set would have done insanely well.
Yeah, that would have worked, yeah. But, I don't know. It is an aggressive trade though, isn't it, really?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, I don't feel like this one particular trade's more risky than the other. I feel like if it makes sense logically, then you should just take it. Because, like, I don't know, like, you never know what's going to happen anyway, so you might as well just take what you think is going to work.
Yeah, I guess so. I guess you're wrong, Jim, I guess you're wrong. Yeah, I would rather it pull inside and then create another inside leg.
What's GU doing? Your GU is definitely bullish.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, definitely.
it's not giving anything, like it spiked into that area that we wanted, but then I don't know. Like there's no entry on it.
No.
Take anything.
No.
Yeah. Not for best this morning. Not a lot going on.
Like you say, you've just got to wait, haven't you? But when you play it on playback, it's just you can just skip all this sitting, can't you?
What's that?
When you're doing a playback or like the replay,
Yeah.
you can just fast forward this bit. You can fast forward time, can't you?
Yeah.
You got any further on baby pips, Tasia? That 100% life ratio, that's alright, isn't it? Look at Dollar Cad pulling back into the area. Weird. Yeah, these sort of trades are good before the breakout, but I've noticed at 7:30 sometimes you get like a fake out which is above here and then comes back in. You get caught out. I've been caught out in those loads of times. Yeah, look at Dollar Cad, Jim.
Yeah.
That's the only reason why I thought I might do that is that purely from being caught out like hundreds of times in the past. You doing that, like looking like it has momentum, but obviously an entry inside is fine. You know, if you're taking an entry inside, but then again, where would you have closed? Like, would you have closed? I guess you'd gone break even, would you?
I would just close it. It was just momentum, wasn't there? You'd be like nearly 2% up.
Yeah. But yeah, I guess you just yeah. I guess it depends whether you're closing it like based on emotions or whether you're closing it based on that's where it got to, like target wise.
Yeah, well, I mean, to be fair, it did get to my first kind of area. There was like a bit on the left.
What, on the 15?
On the 30 minute. Well, it'll probably be on the 15 as well.
Yeah, there's one green candle on the. You'd kind of got there.
You know, the 15 minute, like looking left, like.
Oh, up to the top of there. All right, yeah. Up to the top of like, it's kind of like a consolidation area before that massive boosting candle.
Yeah.
Yeah. I see what you're seeing there, wee lad. Yeah, last night finished all the margin and lots of just to reiterate and was very nice. Very nice. It's not too bad, it's pretty well written. It's very easy to follow. You can go as like to baby pips as a complete beginner. Like, you don't know anything about Forex, and yeah, they kind of spoon feed you a bit with it. It's good. It's rather dashing. Jim, your US dollar. Look at your US dollar.
Yeah, I know. I saw it.
Yeah, so I wouldn't want to take it now because there's no stop.
No,
On the 30 minute. But that was kind of, I said, didn't I? I said I wanted it up there. Pound US dollar's not doing that there. So obviously the euro's a lot stronger than the pound, which probably makes sense to be fair. Yeah,
no.
Genuinely though, like if we get a 30-minute close above the whole number, wick back into that consolidation and leave the consolidation area, I'll probably long it up to that blue box I've got drawn on between like 10 and 20.
Yeah, in that area.
Yeah. But it has to close above. Like, I don't just want to sell it in a breakout, because if you sell it in a breakout, you have to put your stop beneath the low, and to do that, there's no real risk to reward, I don't think.
No.
So I'd probably like it long at, well, 0.15-ish, maybe. Stop there. Yeah, you can't even get, I don't think you'd even get a 1-to-1 out of it. with your stop beneath the low. Not first. Really, your first TP is about 12.
Yeah.
So you'd have to. It wants to pull back in somewhere into the middle of that rip. You know where all the candles have closed at the bottom of the range, like around 93, 94?
Yeah.
It wants to come back down there, wick around there, and then start pushing. And that gives you about a 1 to 1.5.
Yeah. Yeah, it's quite a nice area.
Skipped a lot of the boring stuff like this. Yeah.
Yeah, there's quite a lot of all that crap, to be honest.
Litecoin rises 8.1% today. Yeah, look, come on, Uriel, so don't go on this candle. Oh, it's going. Oh, Jesus, look at it.
Posted.
Yeah. To be fair, I did mention it, but I couldn't enter that based on how I enter trades. Stop's massive, wasn't it? You could do it on the 15, but bloody hell, you stop a bit tight. You'd already have been about 3% up. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit logistic and that sort of stuff.
No, you'd have had to just do like an emotional stop somewhere in the middle of the range.
Yeah. It does work though, like you can see when there's momentum, it does work.
Yeah. Pound US dollar's doing the same. To be fair, pound US dollar's probably the better one because you've got all the time frames in your direction as well.
Yeah,
Pound US dollar.
I don't know, it's proper weird, like how the candles are formed on that is really weird.
Yeah, it almost wants to come into this area, consolidate for a bit, and then push out of the area with strength again. You know, like so it creates like a retrace.
Yeah.
Oh, Phil. Do you know anyone, Tajan, who's gonna hop on the streams, or do you not really know anyone else who trades? I think Mackie would start coming on, Jim, but I think he's working, isn't he? He starts pretty early. He read my message. I sent him the link to the stream, and he read the message at like 10 to 7. So I guess he probably starts at like 7:30.
Yeah, I think he starts a bit early.
Yeah. Bam, 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 bam.
I always find like when it's like this, like if you could just fast forward a couple of candles,
Yeah, that makes sense.
you kind of just like you just like waiting just for that, just something to play out.
Yeah, that's literally all you can do, innit? It's just wait. Don't look, I'm looking like on the smaller time frames again. Yeah,
So-
look, it's pulling into that candle now.
What is?
Don't look at.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think if you can get some sort of inside leg formation on this, maybe another red candle down to the low or close to the low, and then a small green one, then a small red one. You know what I mean? Small bullish, small bearish, and then
Really weird though, like on 15 minute it looked bearish.
yeah.
But then all it, like the other time frames, like the 4 hours bullish.
The 4 hours bullish. The weekly gave a week bullish last week, and then but the daily's bearish. The daily's bearish in structure and the candle. But like you say, we've noticed that if you've got 4 hour against you, there's nothing worse.
Yeah, no.
Like, to be fair, if dollar card closes something, if it not consolidates, but if it does something similar to what it's done today and just stays within this range, if you look on the daily, shorts tomorrow are good on dollar card. Based on the daily, anyway.
Yeah.
Which probably brings you down. Yeah, you've got a pretty cleanish leg the whole time. Pound US dollars at 08, Euro US dollars at 06. Yeah, Euro US dollar is working pretty good, but. Alright, nice one, Tyson. I'll share the link around with fam and friends, but I don't know anyone personally. No. There's not many people do. I think there was a bit of a boom, maybe like 2 years ago, when there seemed to be loads of people getting into it, and then everyone lost the money, and then everyone decided that it was a scam. So, yeah. Yeah, definitely. What do you reckon, Jim? I reckon it's backed off quite.
So.
Trading in general.
Yeah.
Like, there used to be loads of people who tried to get into it.
And they all failed. So I'll see the Instagram stuff, don't they? That's what
Yeah. I think it was just like a marketing boom, wasn't it, really?
Yeah. The $1 you take $1 or not?
No.
No.
Yeah, I'd have had to just guess a stop. You know, like when you just put like a stop where you get at least 1-to-1 to TP, or it would have probably been. If I'd have played it on the 15 minutes as it broke with my stop beneath that one, it didn't really pull back enough. It needed to pull in and then push out. Pull into that consolidation area. But if you go on the 15 minute, it never actually. It closed above the consolidation area, and then it just tapped the top of consolidation and then went. It would have been better if it had come. If it had pulled back to like 96-ish, then I would have probably given it a go. With an entry at like 02.
Yeah. So that's good.
Yeah, Time in the Wolf of Wall Street kid. Yeah, probably. When did it come out? I don't know when that came out, that film.
What? Wolf of Wall Street?
Yeah, it must have been a while ago now.
It's so funny though, they're not even traders.
Yeah, I know, yeah. It's a brokerage. Yeah, it's a stocks broker, or a stock brokerage, which is like different. They always earn money. Totally.
That's the best thing you can do.
Yeah, pretty much.
I don't know how you start one.
I wouldn't have a clue. I wouldn't fancy doing it, I don't think.
It's got to be like one of the best things you can do.
Yeah.
It's like owning a casino, basically.
Pretty much.
I don't get where the money comes from there.
You are?
Because, like, it's not bad for the broker if you make money, right? But
where's the payout?
So if you take a massive trade, if you put like a grand in your account and turn it into like 10 grand, it's like, where's that money coming from? Because it can't be from the broker, otherwise it would be bad for them.
Well, to make money. They say it's for the traders though, don't they? But
yeah, I know, but it's like, you know what I mean? How does it work? Like, how does it go into your account, and then when you withdraw it, like, whose account is it coming from? I guess it's just numbers in a database, isn't it?
Yeah, probably. I don't need to. Yeah.
It's like, weird how it works.
Yeah, it is kind of weird. It's like when you short a currency pair, you're like doing like something like you borrow the first currency pair against the second, don't you, or something?
Yeah, something like that.
You don't even need to know how it works. It doesn't make any difference, does it?
No.
But yeah, if you have any questions, Tej, on them, just ask. It's fine. It's fine. We'll right. I was saying, Tej, and if he's got any questions, just ask. And we'll help him. We will help you to the best ability. Well, the best of our abilities. Like I say, we're not the best teachers, but
pretty good traders, not very good teachers.
Yeah, not too bad. I don't know. It's more on. I think most people are pretty good teachers. Like they can say what's going on, but it's if you can like actually come across in like a good way.
It's very hard to like say how to do it. Like it's like Matt says, everyone gets taught the same crap. It's just how you interpret it and then how you make that into like a strategy.
Yeah. Yeah, everyone gets taught structure and support and resistance and like engulfing candles and momentum and everything, don't they?
Yeah. To be honest, like baby pips is good because you get like a bit of a base understanding, but your best bet's probably to go on like a beginner course, so like someone's just teaching you how to do something.
Yeah, I think baby pips up to a certain point is fine, and then when they start proper loading the advanced crap on you, you're better off just going onto either an educational stream or like ours. An
educational stream, but who actually teach like a certain like strategy.
Yeah.
That's all you need. You just need a strategy, and then that's it. And then you perfect it, and you gain experience in it by trading that strategy, and then build. Like, in terms of like money, like just build slowly, build consistently. Consistency. Don't try and make a crap load of money straight away.
Yeah. Just using trading view to look at the charts, yeah. It's good. The thing is as well, like, it's one of those things where if you do it for ages, you just kind of build up a subconscious view of the chart. So like, if the market's in a certain position, even if you don't know how to enter it, you kind of know where it's going to go. Trading 212, isn't that stocks?
I think it's just trading in general. I think.
Is it?
I think so. I'm not sure.
You see the adverts, don't you, on the TV? There's an eToro on it as well, isn't there?
Yeah, eToro's always.
Yeah, it's got that actor on it.
Yeah, what's he called him?
I don't know. I think that's the thing is, that's that, what's she called? You know, is it Hailey Bieber? Justin Bieber's missus. I think it's her dad.
Yeah.
I think. I might be wrong with that, actually. No, yeah, I'm wrong. That's Stephen Baldwin. No, I don't. He's in quite a few films.
Yeah, I've seen him before.
Bow, bow. the only one I have with a demo account. Alright, yeah, there's quite a lot of most brokerages run demo accounts, but some are definitely better than others. Like the one I have one with IC Markets as well, but it's always dead glitchy. I use it for testing, but it's like I always have trouble with it. Yeah, it's actually a pain in the arse, that demo account. Always freezes. So bad. Oh, look at your US dollar.
Bro, US dollar.
Pretty sick, pretty sick, pretty sick. That's London session open as well, so.
London session.
I actually think pound yen's better. It's on the 15-minute now.
GJ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Based on the 15.
Yeah, I was just looking at Delicate, then it's like just struggling to get momentum. The hourly just closed below the 4-hour high. It needs to like push back above there for it to be bullish.
Yeah. Bit of a weird one, isn't it?
Should have left me frigging alibi there, shouldn't I?
You should. Yeah, the only thing I'm still interested in is pound dollar, really. It's how you play it as well, isn't it? It's a weird one.
What do you mean?
It's how you get entries on it, like I say, because it's broken. It came down, probably collected some orders, didn't it? Now it's pushing long again. So it's collected the orders from the support. It's pushing long. So yeah, that was an obvious fake out. Well, it was a pretty good fake out. You'd have probably been able to bag some profit on that. But now it's pushing back towards the high. Yeah, your US dollar tapped into that blue box. Yeah, sick move that, Euro US dollar.
Yeah.
But, yeah, no. Too big of a stop. If you'd have entered it with a stop, it would have been about a 1-to-1. It wouldn't. I don't think it wouldn't have actually been that profitable, really.
Yeah, no, it's
What was it?
not worth it.
I mean, if you've been proper maxing it out, like taking it up to still like a 1 to 1.4. That's with like, yeah. You needed to play on the 15, trusting that it was just going to break. But if that would have been pound dollar, then that would have been pretty safe. Like if pound dollar would have looked like that, that would have been good.
Yeah.
Do 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 do. Yeah, I'm just gonna be patient and just see what happens with pound dollar, I think.
Yeah. I think that's the best.
It's the one with the most on its side in terms of like structure,
Yeah.
candles, everything.
Got the most confluences on it.
Yeah, I just don't like how it's done what it did. You know, when it retraced.
I can't believe you did.
It's just it's not the best day today for me. Like I say, you might have caught that dollar card if you'd have been like a bit more of an aggressive entry on it, but or the 4 hour, was it the 4 hour which looked a bit dodgy? Can't remember. Or the 1 hour.
Yeah, no, I placed the order on the 30 minute, based on the 30 minute.
Oh, just breaking it, yeah. Yeah. Ah, for a sec.
Yeah. You just gotta know what you're waiting for personally, and then just take it.
Yeah.
And wait, and don't take anything until you see what you want, and that's it.
Yeah, exactly. To be fair, now your US dollar's up at this high, or where it is, like I would, if it made some sort of resistance there, like this is kind of my short area, I would say. If you've gone the 4 hour now where it's tapping into on Euro US dollar.
On what, sorry?
Euro US dollar.
On the 4 hour?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tapping into a pretty good, don't need that one anymore. Tapping into a pretty good area there.
I know, yeah. It's still bearish as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's bearish on most, well, you've got the daily structure's bearish, but the daily candle's bullish, so like, maybe tomorrow might be some good shorts on that. Depends, I don't know, there's a lot of 30-minute candles in a day. It's 48, isn't there?
Yeah.
So.
There's quite a few.
Do you know what, though, out of those 48 candles, there's probably only about 15 candles which actually make good moves. The rest are just consolidate, don't they?
Yeah.
Okay, so what did you mean when you, Adam, said the pound US dollar retraced? On what time frame, Tatum? Did it look like that on the 30 minute, or was it on the 4 hour here? I think it was the 30 minute. I think it was here. I think this is what he was talking about. Yeah, so it made basically, it would be. I'm wanting to long pound dollar because you've got the way. So I look at the weekly candle, the daily structure, the daily candle, the 4-hour time frame, and the 30-minute time frame, and they're all pointing towards longs, which is bullish. So I would have preferred pound dollar for it to sit on the 30-minute in this range here, for it to sit in there, but it retraced beneath, or I made a pullback beneath the structure, so it came down here to this support and now is pushing. But it always feels a bit weird taking a trade here when it's kind of broken its own support, if you understand what I mean. So you can see it formed support here on these lows, and then it broke that support, but now it's back above, and it's just a bit like it's like in and bitten. Yeah, they're pretty messy actually this morning now, Jim, aren't they?
Yeah, it's like choppy, isn't it?
It's gone like, yeah, from 6 o'clock this morning on pound dollar, you had a bearish candle followed by a bullish candle, followed by a bearish engulfing candle, followed by a bullish candle which has a higher low and then a higher high, and then you've now got a bearish candle which has got a higher high. So it's pretty messy. It's not really trending.
No, there's no clean moves. There isn't a clean moves, me.
No. So yeah, retrace stage on is basically just when price moves down. So if you're in a bearish market, it's creating higher highs and higher lows, like that. So you start the move, creates a low. That's a lower high from this high. Then it creates lower low from this low, lower high from this high, lower low. So that's a trending market. These moves here are retraces.
Basically, retrace is a move against trend.
These are the retraces. Yeah. You can see my wonderful drawing, Jim, on the live stream. Yeah, I don't know what pound dollar's doing.
I might just leave it for a bit and let some charts play out. I might go get some breakfast.
Yeah, there's not a lot happening, is there?
No. Right, I'm gonna bounce, Bruce.
Okie dokie. You got any more questions, Sage, or no? Do you need to know anything, or if you do, just fire away. Everything looks sideways, doesn't it, at the moment? No, I'm good for there, just getting used to sight. Yeah, no worries, just on the just have a mess about with it, and yeah, start playing. Jim, can he? I was thinking if you can use a replay tool or not. I don't think you can use a replay tool unless you're premium on TradingView, which is this. You can like delete candles and then play it out, which is a good tool to use. But I don't know if you have that or not. Actually, weekly notes. Oh, the text box. You see, if you go onto the side here, there's a T for text, and you're basically writing what you need. And then you can change it. You can put like you can put a border around it. You can change the font size, the font, and everything. Whatever you need to do, colour and all that, depending on what your chart looks like. So, yeah, that's what I do. You have to write in. I've written that weekly daily, by the way. That's not just there by itself. Like I've written that and annotated it. But yeah, get your friends or whatever, or your family. If anyone's interested, just get them to jump on. Give it a subscribe or whatever, and a like, and we'll yeah. Or if we can help them out, or if they want to start, then yeah, we can just give them some info. Like you, really. Oh, right, no, that's all from, yeah, that's from what, based on structure, how we teach it. Yeah, I can teach it, we'll probably teach it in, I can teach it in the next stream probably, or how we look at structure. Yeah, it's not the easiest thing to pick up on, but it's just a way so we can determine direction based on the highs and lows that I was telling you about. But it's based on the significant ones. But yeah, I can teach you that. Cool. But yeah, if that's everything right, we'll call it, I think. But yeah, just get your mates, ask your mates and stuff. Yeah, all good. All good. Right. Yeah, I'll see you later.